In this video, I explain about the digital twin concept with Microsoft Azure and Unity and BIM model. As you can see here, we have BIM model imported inside Unity. We can design our own user interface and create the room dashboard, which is connected to Azure Cloud Sensor Data. We can also go immediately to the room using the room button, which is also designed using the room user interface. We have here three values for this room, which is CO2, temperature, and humidity, and it's continuously updating. As we can see, the color of the CO2 changes when it exceeds a certain value. Also, we have the temperature, which updates also the visualization of the room when it changes the value of it. And also we can see that the room dashboard is continuously updating with any changed value. And again, this is all can be connected and accessed with Microsoft Azure. So you can have your visual model or physical model connected and reflected on your digital twin model. Same concept can also be applied to equipment, so not only to rooms. So you can have heat map on your equipment, for example your fan coil unit, and you can get all the information about it. And you can have also the temperature of the fan coil unit changing with your visualization, also with your cooling tower. And you can have also CO2 represented in the CO2 red color, which changes with your values of CO2. You can also have your wireframe buttons that changed all the representation of your model, as we can see, to see above ceiling on and your element, which you can be highlighted by only selecting the highlighted or the wanted element. You can see that all of your equipment can have visualizations that can be reflected on your model. So the main concept is that you can have your Revit or BIM model and you can import it to Unity. Once you have your sensors connected and installed in your actual physical building, you can now keep reading data using Microsoft Azure, and you can reflect it on your digital twin in Unity. In addition to that, you can use Unity machine learning agents, which is machine learning modules that you can use to use the data read from the sensors to predict your equipment behavior in the future, which is about the AI concept in Microsoft Azure and Unity machine learning. Finally, you can use WebGL, which is a module inside Unity, to build your application of digital twin model to access and view your model and physical building information using a simple web viewer like Google Chrome, and that leads us to the road to a digital twin and smart cities.